Okay, well, I want to solve the equation x squared equals e to the x plus log x, and I want you to solve it using technology. Most of the time, when I am dealing with a situation like that, I want to make one side equal to 0. So I'm going to subtract e to the x from both sides, and I'm going to subtract natural log of x from both sides, and I want to see when is that equal to 0. I'm going to solve this with the zero finder on the calculator, but I think I'd like to take a look at the graph on Desmos first. So what does the graph of x squared minus e to the x minus natural log x look like on Desmos? So that's what I'd like to take a look at. So let's see what it looks like. So we're going to call it f of x equals x squared minus e to the x minus natural log of x. And it sure looks like there's only one answer. I mean, I can zoom it out as much as I want. Does it ever come back to the x-axis? It doesn't look that way. Now, that's not a proof, but it looks like the answer is somewhere in there. Does it let me get close? So playing it this way on Desmos, it looks like 0.2866 is about what I'm getting. But let's take a look at how we do this on the graphing calculator. So we'll jump to that next. So I want to see when is x squared minus e to the x, which is this button. Second natural log is e2 that you'll see, minus e to the x minus natural log x. When does this equal 0? So I'm going to go with zoom decimal. You saw that the y values got big very quickly, so I may need to increase the size of the y's. Maybe not. Maybe that'll work. We'll try it. Second calc, zero finder. We'll move the man in the spaceship a little bit to the left of the crisscross point. That works. Left bound. A little bit to the right. That works. Guess on it or close to it. And 0.28658 or 0.2866. What did I say before from Desmos? About 0.2866. So that one will not be able to be solved with algebraic strategies. You're going to have to use some kind of an approximation scheme like we get from the graphing calculator or from Desmos to solve an equation like that.